Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Jerry Kennedy and I'm a fashion designer, as you can see. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to sew a suit pocket from start to finish. So guys, do well to check on my last video where I taught how to draft a suit sleeve. So right now let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when making a suit pocket is to cut out your gum stay. Cut out a square gum stay. After doing that, the next thing you have to do is to look for the middle part of it and draw an horizontal line right there. After that, the next thing you have to do is to take 5 inches and 3/4. After taking it, all you have to do is to mark out the both side of the 5 inches and 3/4. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing all you have to do is to get your measuring tape and place it on this front part of the line like this. All you have to do is to count 1 2 3 to your right hand side. From the point also you count 1 2 3 to the other side. Then you move your tape from that point. Now you mark another 1 2 3, then you mark it, then you count extra 1 2 3 on the other side, then you mark it. Same thing, you are going to replicate same thing on this other side. All you have to do is just mark one, count 1 2 3, you mark it. From this point you count 1 2 3, you mark it. So we have 3/8 into 4 places on one side. So all you have to do is to connect each line together using your straight ruler. So you just connect it together. Okay, so let's use our pen because I think the pencil is not working for us. So just use your pen to create the lines. So don't forget the space between each line is 3/8. That is almost ½ inch, but it's just 3/8. So after creating your line, the next thing you have to do is to iron it on top of your fabric, on the wrong side of your fabric. Okay, so after doing that, so as you can see we have two pockets right here, because of course suit has 2 pockets at the front part of it. So the next thing you want to do is to bring your suit, make sure you create a line where you are going to sew the wet pocket on top. So you can either use your chalk to create the line, or better still use your pressing iron to create the line. Alright, so as you can see, all you have to do right now is to spread your suit, then place your wet pocket pattern on this particular line right here. Make sure this part aligns with this point right here, because that point is where my wet pocket is going to start from. So you place it on top. Make sure the middle line aligns with the line you drew out from your suit. As you can see, this middle line is supposed to align with that point. So as you can see, we are going to sew on this line and on this other line. So just take it to your sewing machine and sew on it. Make sure your middle line aligns with the line you drew out on your suit. Alright, so as you can see, we are done stitching the pattern on the suit. So all you have to do is to pick up the pattern and slit through the middle line. Make sure it doesn't affect the suit. Slit through only the pattern. So make sure your scissors doesn't get to the suit. So as you can see, I'm done. Look at it, there's no hole on the suit. So the next thing you have to do is to take out your sharp scissors and then cut out the middle part of your suit right here. You slit through it. So get it to half inch to the end point of where we stitched. All you have to do is to notch it. You notch to each side of the part we stitched. Please do it to focus on the video very well. So you turn it upside down. You just do the same thing right here. You cut it half inch, then you notch it to the both sides. So after doing that, the next thing you want to do right now is just to bring out the pattern from the other side. After doing that, all you have to do is to iron it. So as you can see guys, this part is supposed to be open, but I don't know, let's just continue. That was a mistake. So right here, all you have to do is to fold this line right here. You fold it and use your pressing iron to iron it. So same thing with the other side. You fold this point, fold the line there, use your iron to iron it. Alright. So all you have to do is to spread it downward. So all you have to do is to make sure that both sides are equal. So as you can see, make sure both sides are equal. So this outcome is just like after enough pressing. As you can see, you just place your fabric on top and you press it. So this is the outcome. Make sure both sides of the wet pocket are equal. So after doing that, the next thing you have to do, right at this point here, you open it and put your hem gum inside. Just look for hem gum, then slit it into two, then place it right there. Then you iron it. Make sure you iron it very well so it won't open. So after doing that, all you have to do is to flip it to the other side. This place right here, you put another hem gum and then you iron it. So after doing that, on this point right here now, look at what we have. So you open it there. On this point, this line, we are going to sew on top of this seam line we have right here. You sew on top of it. Same with the other side, you sew on top of this seam line we have right here. Okay, so after doing that, as you can see, we have two seam line right here. Okay, so after doing that, all you have to do is to iron it again. You iron it properly to avoid those rough edges. So the next we are going to do right now is to push this point inward. This notch part, you push it inward, then you iron it again. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you want to do is to sew on this point, then sew on that point. So as you can see, look at it, we are done stitching it. This other point, we are done stitching it. So we are still going to iron the suit. Please make sure you use another fabric while ironing the suit so it will not affect the surface of the fabric. So make sure you iron it properly. So as you can see, this is our Welt pocket. So the last thing we are supposed to do for this pocket is to create the cover for the pocket. So all you have to do right now is to measure the width of our Welt pocket. So I have 5 inches and 3/4. So all you have to do, you look for another gum stay, create a straight line right here, then take the 5 and 3/4 we have and create another straight line right here. So after doing that, all you have to do is to iron it on your fabric. You gum the gum stay on your fabric. Okay, so after doing that, all you have to do is to fold it into 2, then you iron it again. So after ironing the gum stay, all you have to do is to sew on this both line. You sew on it. So as you can see, we are done stitching the line. All you have to do is to use your scissors to cut out the excesses on both sides. Then you turn out the right part. So after doing that, all you have to do is to iron it properly. Okay, so this is what we have. So the next thing you want to do right now is to get your measuring tape. From this top point, all you have to do is to mark 2 inches downward. So on the other side, you also take 2 inches downward, then you mark it. Then the next thing, you bring your suit and you just place it inside, leaving out 2 inches. Just place it inside, leaving out 2 inches. So as you can see, this is what your suit pocket should look like. So you just place your extra fabric on top and iron it properly. So the last thing we are supposed to do right now is to sew these 2 points together, this fabric and this other one. You sew them together. So as you can see, we are done stitching it. Look at it. This is what your pocket should look like, your suit pocket. So guys, do well to follow this procedure step by step, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.